Hey everyone! Withings made quite the splash at IFA this year by introducing the new ScanWatch Nova Brilliant. This is the latest version of their premium ScanWatch Nova Hybrid smartwatch. So, what's new with the Nova Brilliant? Well, it's got most of the tracking features from the standard ScanWatch Nova, but with some pretty sweet design upgrades. It's now available in a smaller 39mm case and features a grooved fluted titanium bezel around the dial, protected by sapphire crystal. Unlike the standard Nova, it ditches the rotating bezel for a sleek digital crown, giving it a cleaner, more streamlined look. As for the display, you're getting a high-resolution grayscale circular OLED on the upper half. This screen shows all your health metrics, battery status, and notifications, and you can navigate through everything using the crown. The lower half keeps it classic with a traditional minute-second dial. When it comes to tracking, Withings hasn't skimped on the tech. The Nova Brilliant uses the same PPG Gen 3 sensors as its predecessor, so you're getting continuous heart rate monitoring with irregular rhythm alerts, sleep and menstrual cycle tracking, SpO2 monitoring, and even all-day body temperature tracking with alerts if something's off. It also offers an on-demand ECG with atrial fibrillation detection, supports 40 different exercises, and measures your VO2 max. Oh, and did I mention the battery lasts up to 30 days on a single charge? Which is pretty solid for a smartwatch packed with so many features. But that's not all Withings announced. They're also rolling out a new service called Checkup, which is included in the Withings Plus subscription plan. This lets you send your ECG readings through the app to certified cardiologists who'll review them and give you results and advice for conditions like atrial fibrillation and other arrhythmias. Plus, you'll get personalized health tips to keep your heart in check. Subscribers get 4 of these reviews per year, which means 1 each quarter. The service is launching in France, Germany, and the UK by the end of 2024. So, what do you think of the ScanWatch Nova Brilliant's design? Are you digging the upgrades, or do you still prefer the original ScanWatch Nova? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Peace out.